The Itel A70, an upgrade from the Itel A50, released on November 2023. The cost for the Itel A70 is 1,120 Ghana cedis, equivalent to $72.83 which is way under the $100 price category. On the exterior, the Itel A70 has 4 color variants, such as the Brilliance Gold, Stylish Black, Field Green, and Azure Blue. On the right side has the volume buttons and power switch, which doubles as the side-mounted fingerprints. On the left has the SIM tray, which houses dual nano SIMs with a memory card, and on the bottom has the 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, Type-C female port, and a down-firing speaker. On the memory, there are 3 variants of the Itel A70. The current unit in this country is a 4GB RAM, which can be expanded to 8GB RAM via memory fusion, plus the ROM capacity of 256GB, which can be expanded to 1TB via the memory card. The Itel A70's chipset is a Unisoc Tiger TC03 octa-core processor. It performs basic tasks and light to medium games at lower settings, which is okay at this price cap. Display is 6.6-inch teardrop design at 720 by 1612 pixels IPS LCD resolution, plus has the dynamic bar UI that is capable of displaying utility notifications. The Itel A70's rear camera is 13 megapixels and 8 megapixels in front. Pictures are okay at this price point. It shoots videos at 1080p 30fps. The Itel A70's battery capacity is 5000 mAh, capable of the entire day's usage with a slow 10W Type-C charging support. The Itel A70's operating system is powered with the Android 13 Go edition, which translates to the Itel OS 13. For kids, the elderly, or even you on budget, the Itel A70 is the best recommended. Thank you.